Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night.
Looking good, Don. Take it your way just a hair. There you go. Looking good, looking good.
How far?
Wherever you want.
I can't see it, so you tell me
How much weight have we got on your tongue?
I think we're good.
I think it's good. Yeah, we're only going a couple blocks.
Yeah.
There we go, guys. There's Don's 1957 two-door post, Belair. We are going to build this bitch. We're excited about it. Got it hooked up with Big Red. Ooh.
Can't let that go. Damn, it ran over my head.
You all right? Maybe put the block behind the wheel
Well,
for now.
god damn. I'll look that one over.
All right, guys. Anyway, here we are. We are gonna not run Ron over. Get this thing over to the house. A lot of fun stuff gonna happen. It's gonna be exciting. I'm really excited to do this car. Me and Don have been sitting here spitballing all day about what gauges we're gonna put in it, how we're gonna do the dash, the glass, what parts does he use, so on and so forth. And so it should be a really interesting deal here. So we've actually spent all day putting the motor together. We put the timing chain cover, intake manifold, valve covers, carb, distributors, timed, water pump, all that went on today. So more to come, guys. I'm gonna help them out. Man, we got a 57 Chevy following awful close to us here, Ron. So cool. We're bringing it over to the house, guys. Getting ready to build this pig. Stay tuned.
I didn't want it to fall off and go down the road. Now I can unhook it and not worry about it fucking rolling.
Yeah. Put the bolts. See the light. Then you turn it off, you hold the bolts.
These little guys are great
Yeah, they are.
because
Hey, that boy's got something. You run them through the mag wheels.
yeah.
And they just slide through there. And he's got a single hook like yours. The hook's onto the D-ring. So bam.
I like how these are.
Yeah. Not adjustable, but you know, if it won't roll up, fuck, you know what I mean?
Is it okay to undo the front strap?
Yeah.
Yes, I got the wheel chopped.
Oh no, that other piece of dunnage is up there. What are you doing, B? Huh?
See that fucking dollar around?
No, what's going on?
Check should be in tomorrow.
Hold on.
The bonuses?
Bonus and maybe your senior check.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. That'd be nice.
Okay, let it go a little bit.
Because I'm rolling a 57 over here at the painter.
I just want to start going down the cliff.
Yeah. All right, let her come back. All right, thanks for the help. Thanks for the heads up, Tom.
Hold on for a minute.
What? Bonus in early. Supposed to be tomorrow. I guess because first exactly next week.
Looks good on this side.
Yeah, you're dead nuts over here.
Okay? Yeah. Hold on.
Hold it.
Bring it on the header. Huh? Header.
Pull it in a little bit.
Hold on, I got the handle right there. Yeah.
Jack the front up.
Yeah. I just
Take a little slack off. Whoa. Yeah, that's 11 whole bag of your truck. Yeah, it shouldn't take much.
okay.
Yeah, let's see what it is.
It'll be a hair more run. I'm gonna check it out. Rollers on it. Hook it and put it in where I want.
Put it on that D-ring right there.
We'll put it on that day.
Take a spring. I can't believe that. Remember I told you the other night about how Count's Customs built a motorcycle for the fucking belt map captain. They call that motherfucker a hero. Huh?
He wasn't no fucking hero.
Oh, you fucking. Should have been court-martialed. Yeah.
I was there. Poor fuckers.
Okay, guys, do you see that? It is in the garage now.
You know, the guys that died.
They died a horrible death.
There we go. 1957 Chevy two-door post, boys. Stay tuned. There's a lot more to come. I'll walk you around this later and show you everything, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so what's going to happen here? We need this car to be movable, right? And so I also need to get the Volkswagen thing into here. So I'm going to jack it up and put it on rollers and go from there. So it might be a little loud, but this is what we're going to be doing. And bear with me. I need to find a wheel. Now we might not die. That's good. What do you think, back first?
Huh?
Back first?
Sure. One of 1,000 times will do
Pretty much. Oh, that's okay. I don't so much mind it. Something new. I need something new, you know?
It's refreshing compared to how you look there.
I think I look good. Get up here.
Can't be any worse than the last one.